24 acres. Dead-end road. No neighbors. No through traffic. And the price? Under $180,000. I'm going to show you exactly what that gets you in Middle Tennessee right now, and by the end of this video, you're either going to call your realtor or wish you had. This is Gainesboro, Jackson County, Tennessee. 75 miles from Nashville. Deep Upper Cumberland country. Here's something most people don't know. This town has been here since the 1790s. Named after a general who fought alongside Andrew Jackson himself. Quiet hills. And land that still hasn't been priced out. Let's talk about what you're actually getting. 24 acres. And not flat, boring acreage. Steep rolling hills, mature timber, and 3 to 4 acres of flat workable ground. The whole property sits on a dead-end road. That means zero cut-through traffic. Nobody on your driveway who doesn't belong there. Wildlife everywhere. If you're a hunter, this terrain was made for you. On the property, an 892-square-foot cottage. Built in 1940. 1 bedroom. 1 full bathroom. Open living room with a bonus room. Use it as an office, guest space, whatever you need. Updated kitchen. New hot water heater. Covered porch. Metal roof. Simple. Honest. Ready to use, today. This isn't a project house. It's a move-in ready base camp on 24 private acres. Here's what most people miss when they scroll past this listing. At this price, you almost never get both. A livable structure and serious acreage at the same time. You either buy raw land and camp for 2 years. Or you buy a house on a 1/4 acre and stare at your neighbor's fence. This property gives you both. Right now. Use the cottage while you plan. Build on the flat land later. Or just enjoy it exactly as it is. And that dead-end road? That's not a small detail. That is one of the hardest things to find in rural real estate, and it's already here, already yours. $409 a year in property taxes. That's it. 75 miles from Nashville, well inside the weekend escape market. Short-term rental demand for hunting cabins in this part of Tennessee is climbing. The sellers just dropped the price by $20,100 on May 28th. A 10% cut. In one move. That tells you everything about where their head is at. The asking price on 24 secluded Tennessee acres, with a move-in ready cottage, on a dead-end road. $179,900. Let that number sit for a second. Here's my question for you, and I genuinely want to know. Are you looking at this as a hunting base camp, a weekend retreat, or a land investment you hold and develop over time? Drop it in the comments. Your answers literally decide where we scout next. If this showed you something you didn't know was still out there in 2026, hit the like button. It helps us reach more buyers who need to see this. And if you're not subscribed, we find properties exactly like this one every single week. Miss an episode, you might miss the one that changes your plan. Turn on notifications. Until next time, take care.